Hi, I'm DMac with VerifyiQ. VerifyiQ is the premier practice management solution for the modern accounting firm using QuickBooks Online or Xero. Welcome to our setup series. Here we will be discussing your frequently asked questions.
In today's video, I am going to show you how to add a client to VerifyiQ. After you log in, you will be here on the main screen. In the top right-hand corner, please click the green Add New Client button. Then enter the client name. Then enter the client code. You can also add a description if you wish, but the only two required fields are the client name and the client code. Now the client code is used with the API integration, so if you'd like to push the completed review data into either Salesforce or Airtable, the client code will definitely be needed. After entering the client name and the client code, please click Save. At this point, I've found that it's easier to add the personnel that will be working on this client if they are known. So if you know who's going to be working on them, please click the three dots, then click Assign Manager or Associate. And I am going to assign myself as the bookkeeper and then the manager, and then I will click Save. After that, please click on the client name and then connect the client to either QuickBooks Online or Xero. Now, just a word of note, we have found that it's best if the firm's admin credentials are used to make the connection. That way, if a bookkeeper leaves or a controller leaves, the integration will not be broken. This is why we recommend that admins make these integrations and use their admin credentials to make the integration between QuickBooks Online and Xero. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Please click to subscribe to our channel for more updates. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the box below and we will do our best to answer them as quickly as possible.
Thank you. I'm DMac from VerifyiQ.